Welcome back, aliens. Today we are going to see about that function called import data in Google spreadsheet. What is the purpose of import data? Import data is nothing but importing a data from a specific URL. So that URL can be an external one, or it can be a reference to that any websites, or it can be anything, and it should be a URL. You cannot upload a specific URL from your own machine. It can be a shared URL. Okay. Here I'm just going to show on how to import that URL using import data. Okay, let's get into the video. I'm just typing the formula for import data, and I'm just providing that URL. So that URL is containing .csv file. Okay, so I'm just entering it here, and it is fetching the data from the respective URL. Okay, so here if you check that, here we are having many columns. So let's assume if I'm modifying the data, that's CSV from that URL, automatically when you load that this file, automatically this file also will get updated. So that is the main usage of import data. So okay, so the next we will take that another scenario, but by importing a specific text file. So again I'm typing the URL for the text. Okay, just type that URL for the text. I'm just closing that. Yeah, it is fetched the value. Yeah, it got fetched. So the respective URL containing these elements. So this is the purpose of that. So for simultaneously, if any files getting updated, simultaneously the data will be updated here. So that is the main usage of import data. I think you got my point. Hope it helps you, and see you again with another interesting video.